In this video, we will explore the basic of Terraform with Fastly. So I'm gonna show you how you can install Terraform and then create a basic service on Fastly and then create a custom VCL. And we will manage everything from Terraform and deploy those changes on Fastly. So let's get started. First thing first, let's install Terraform. So I'm on the Mac. So here on the Terraform website, I can see that I can install Terraform with Homebrew. So let's do it. So I copy this line and then let's paste that in our terminal and install it. So as you can see here, I already have Terraform installed. I can do Terraform to see if it's correctly installed, and it's the case. Okay, so now that Terraform is installed, let's create a folder somewhere. Okay, mkdir Terraform tutorial. Okay. Okay, here we go. Now we need to create a main.tf, so touch main.tf. Okay, so we have our file here. Let's open this with our code editor. So in my case, VS Code. Okay, here we go. Here we have an empty Terraform file. So let's see what we have to put as a configuration. So if we go to the Terraform website and if we select the Fastly provider documentation, we can see that here we have an example. So first we need this. Okay, so I copy that. Okay, so this is, here we specify the provider and the version, which is here, the latest one. Okay, so now we have a provider and we want to set a resource. As a resource, I want a VCL. I want to create some VCL code. So I need a Fastly service. So here we can go under resource and let's see what we have for VCL. So Fastly service VCL. Okay, we can copy this. Okay, let's go back and paste. And so here we have our resource, Fastly service VCL, name demo, and we can put whatever we want. Demo underscore tutorial, why not? Name super tutorial. Okay. Domain. We can use a domain from Fastly, so it could be Antoine tutorial super tutorial dot global dot ssl dot fastly dot net. Okay, so it can be anything you want, but .global, .ssl, .fastly, .net. You can use a custom domain if you have one set up in Fastly. Comment, you can get rid of this. For the backend, so to set basically our origin. So here we have the localhost IP address. Let's put something else. Let's put like a http bin.net. So it's actually http-bin.org, sorry. Okay, and I can remove the name. Oh no, I can. I have to keep it, and let's name it http bin dummy server. Okay, great. So as a reminder, http bin, if you don't know, will just like log the request, show the request. So here, if you call something hello, it will return the request. Oh, not here, but you get the idea. Okay, force destroy to true, because basically it's from the documentation. I don't know at the moment for exactly what force destroy stands for. Okay, now we need to create an output. So here, output, a name active, and here the value. So output will behave like when you return something at the end of a function. So it sends back information to other Terraform scripts or other Terraform modules. And here we need this Fastly service VCL. Okay, and active version. So okay, demo tutorial dot demo tutorial dot demo tutorial Fastly demo tutorial. Okay, dot active version. Okay, so demo tutorial, so this service will return the active version. It's something that our a script will return. Okay, so once we have our main.terraform created, we need to initialize Terraform. It's similar to when you do npm install or npm init actually. So Terraform init. Okay, so it's initializing. Okay, perfect. Now what I can do is to try to deploy my changes. So I can do Terraform plan. Okay, and here it says that Terraform encountered an error because I have no API set, and indeed I have to provide an API key to allow Terraform to communicate with my Fastly account. So let's go on Fastly and let's create a new API key. Okay, so now I'm on Fastly and I'm on the in my account configuration, API token, and let's create a new API token. Continue. Okay, I log in. Okay, now we are logged in. Terraform tutorial. Okay, so this is the name of our API key. Global, never expire, or actually expire to expire like tomorrow. Okay. Okay, 2024. Okay, create token. Okay, I copy this token, and then let's go back here and we need to put that token somewhere. So we need to set up our API key, and it's something that is described there. So configure the Fastly provider. Okay. So here, provider Fastly API key, and then I put my API key there. Okay, save, and let's now try again Terraform plan. Okay, looks like it worked. So Terraform says like, yeah, those resources will be created. So now what we can do is to enter Terraform form apply, enter, and so here we need to confirm yes. Okay, creating. Okay, cool. Looks like our configuration, our resource has been created. So let's have a look at what we have on Fastly then. So if I go to Fastly deliver, now we can see we have our super tutorial service, and we can visit, okay, here, domain, and test domain. Okay, it's working. Okay, so we've been able to deploy our service on Fastly through Terraform. So now let's try to create our custom VCL that will customize the way we cache, the way we handle requests on this application. So let's go back there, and what I can do is here to customize this resource block. So on the Terraform documentation, VCL resource, Fastly service VCL, and so here, okay, we want to check for custom VCL, basic usage with custom VCL. Okay, so I can copy this and let's paste that there. Okay, name my custom main VCL. Let's keep it like this. And my custom main VCL, let's create a form. Let's create a folder. Sorry. So mkdir VCL. Okay, and let's create main.vcl. Okay, and now here we can create we can reference our main VCL. So vcl/main.vcl, and let's put something in that VCL. Okay, so let's create something basic. So serve routine VCL receive. Okay, so I have this auto completion, and okay, what we can do here, so this auto completion comes from the Fastly VCL plugin I have for VS Code. And something that we can do is in receive, say if request.url.path equal anything /hello, okay, and /anything we just HTTP bin with just analyze that request. So slash anything slash hello, and then we could maybe set a custom header. So rec, so request HTTP dot Antoine hello Antoine, yeah, hello, hey. Okay, let's try this. So now what we want is to run Terraform plan. Okay, Terraform detected that we have new updates, and Terraform apply. I will need to confirm yes. Okay, great. Looks like it worked. So let's give it a try. Maybe before that we can check on Fastly if we have a new version. So on Fastly, super tutorial is indeed version 2. If I check the VCL, we should see somewhere like, yeah, here, as you can see, our modification on Terraform changed something in our VCL. So let's try this. Slash anything slash hello. Okay, so anything slash hello, and we should find a header somewhere with my name in it. Okay. Antoine. Okay, it's not the case. I just maybe need to wait just for our service to refresh. And yes, I just had to wait a bit. And here we have our header. Okay, so it worked. Okay, so let's do another and a final modification to our VCL. rec.url.path equal anything slash hello world, and let's send back a synthetic response. So set set.http.content. Dash type equal, and we send back text HTML. Okay. And a synthetic response. Okay. Just I forgot set obj. Okay. Yeah, actually we can't use obj in VCL receive, so let's do something else. Okay, so let's create a custom for as a synthetic. So what I can do is to say rec.url.path.anything 44, and then this will return an error. So we go straight to VCL error, okay. And then I can say something like if the status it is equal to 600, then I can set obj status equal 44, set opt HTTP content type equal text slash HTML. Okay, and the synthetic okay, and then I'm gonna copy paste a bit of HTML. Okay, now let's deploy this. So once again, plan and apply. Yes. Okay, we can see that it should be active now. And let's try this. So if we hit anything /44, this should return anything /44 our synthetic. So not yet, because we have just to wait for Fastly for our resource to get the update. Okay, and now when I reload, I have the synthetic. So yeah, long story short, we explored together, and it was the first time as well on my side with Terraform, how we can create a service and write our custom VCL from here and deploy it. So really cool way to deploy changes, and yeah, it's way more comfortable to write custom VCL in VS Code, obviously. So I hope you liked that light tutorial, and see you next time.